I'm making this video for my summer school Algebra 2 and pre-calculus students. I want to touch on two things real quick just to make sure we're working on the same page from the beginning. One is in this age of AI, I have more and more questions from schools and my bosses and parents about how do I know that students are doing the work. And so we have to really work together for you to be able to really show that you are doing the work and not just looking at it, not just saying I can do it, not having some AI do it for you and turning stuff in. So it's very hard to do when I'm not with you. So we have to work together on this. And I just want to be very clear about what I want to see. When you are working on lessons, like Introduction to Lesson 1, all the lessons, I'm on the Algebra 2 course page, but pre-calculus is the same. When you're working on these lessons, some stuff might be easy, and that's okay. You don't have to take a huge amount of notes, but you do need to show that you're solving the problem, especially as we go through. There's more and more ways for you to just put in answers and not really show that you're doing it. So I ask that you provide evidence that you're doing the practice. When you do IXL in your notebook, provide evidence that you're doing the practice. When you get to your video of notebook, this is where you're going to show me that you're practicing. I'm not asking you to upload every time you do a lesson to take a picture of what you've done because it's very time consuming. What I am asking for you to do is keep this notebook, and in your notebook, write down lesson 1-2, show me what you've done to practice it. When you have this video of notebook, you're going to do two things. You're going to show that, you're going to flip through, this is my practice, this is what I thought I needed to take. And in every video, there's a different question that I want to hear you talk. So share your video of notes and your work, and share any tips. I need to hear you. All right. This isn't just taking pictures of stuff. I want it to be a video. I want to see that you're practicing. So if anybody asks me, I can say, hey, go to the video of notes. You're going to see them practicing and you're going to hear them speaking about what they've learned. So that's one way. I'm going to flip over to the pre-calculus class just to be equal in this video. And the second way is when you get to your assessments. All right, so there's an assessment here. When you get to your assessment, you're going to see that I'm always asking you to upload. There's different ways. Sometimes it's right after the assessment. Sometimes it's with the Unit 1 grade. But I want to see that you're working out the problems, that you're not just putting in multiple choice answers. Even if you can answer it using your calculator, show me how you're doing it. All right, we have to provide evidence that you're doing all of the work, even though you're trying to be quick about it. So if you have any questions on this, I'm going to be kind of a stickler on this for the video of notes assignment and for your unit assessment. If I don't see the work, I'm going to have you redo it because I've had more and more times where people are asking me to help prove that the student is doing their own work. So please help me out with this and ask me questions if you have them. Thank you very much.